Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 4X Santoni. This is a decent OS. Let's check the specification. Here you can see decent version X. Here you need the support. If you need the support you can contact here. If there is any installation problem you can contact me. Telegram link is in the description. Here you can see model, hardware, everything. Total RAM 2.7 GB. This ROM is based on Android version 10. Here you can see Android latest version Android 10 5 May security patch available. Let's check the features of this ROM, and there is a lots of customization in this ROM. You can customize your ROM according to your use. Here you can see this is the control center. You can let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working 100% working, no problem in Wi-Fi. Here you can see there is no Wi-Fi network available right now, but Wi-Fi is working properly. There is no problem in Wi-Fi. Let's check the hotspot, and the hotspot is also working properly. Here you can see hotspot is working properly. There is no problem in the hotspot. There is no bug in the hotspot. If you want to change the DP, you can change the DP. Bluetooth is also working properly. There is no problem in the Bluetooth. The battery performance of this ROM is same as other Android and custom ROMs. Here is the battery percentage, battery manager. Here is the battery descendant, idle manager also available. Efficiency to ensure efficiency. Let's check the display. Brightness level is also 100% working. Here you can see brightness level is working properly. Adaptive brightness is also 100% working. There is no problem. Night light. Let's check the night light. Night light intensity also check. Here you can see it work perfectly. There is full. Here is only one wallpaper available. Lock screen display, always on display. Let's check the always on display. Here is the always on display. It works perfectly. There is no problem in the always on display. It does not turn off. Here you can see it works perfectly. Show ambient display when charging. If you want only when charging, you can enable, or only when charging. When you use this ROM, you will be able to understand the each and every feature. Double tap to sleep. Everything is working perfectly in this ROM. Double tap to anywhere on the screen to take the device is also working properly. Thumbs UI. Here is the Thumbs UI. Here you can see Thumbs UI has been changed. Here you can see, let's open. Here you can see it is changed. Thumbs UI has been changed. And interface that suits your usage with one hand. This is one hand Thumbs UI. Enable QS panel only. Let's check the QS panel. Here is the QS panel. Here is the QS panel. Here is the QS panel. You can customize your QS panel also. Here is the dark theme also available in this ROM. Asian color, you can change the Asian color also. Dark mode is working perfectly. Asian colors, Ferrari red, everything is working perfectly. Body font, you can change the font. Icon also. Style app, here you can change the style app, custom create also. Here is the font, icon, color. Next, these are the shape. Then you can apply easily. Rotation, everything is working perfectly. You can change the dB if the dB does not suit you. Let's check the sound. Here is the sound. How loud is the sound? Sound is enough loud in this ROM. No problem in sound. You can see there is no problem in the sound. There are many features available in this ROM as compared with other Android and custom ROMs. Expandable buttons in volume. Everything is working perfectly. Each and every feature is working perfectly. I have tested each and every ROM. This takes me lots of time. If you like the video, press the like button. I will not be able to tell you about each and every feature. So if I will tell each and every feature, this will take more time. I will show you the upper features only. You can install and check the each and every feature. Here is the almost 25 GB, 25.2 20 GB 25.20 GB available in this ROM. Let's check the fingerprint or face unlock also. Here is the fingerprint. Let me apply the fingerprint. We will also check the speed of the fingerprint. How much speed is the fingerprint? Here you can see fingerprint is working perfectly. No problem in fingerprint. Done. And let's check the speed. Tap, open. Fingerprint speed is almost same as other Android and custom ROM. Fingerprint speed is not better than MIUI ROMs. Let's check the face unlock also, if the face unlock works or not. hello to face unlock. Align your face. Let's check the face unlock. Let me apply the face unlock. Bypass lock screen. Here you can see face. Let's check the face unlock. How fast is the face unlock? Here you can see face unlock is working perfectly. My hands are aside. Here you can see face unlock is very fast. No problem in face unlock. Screen pinning is also available. No need to flash any apps. Play Store is already included in this ROM. Here are the system. Let's check the system. Where the gestures. There are 3 button gestures also available. 2 button. If you want to use the gesture, then you have to turn off the hardware buttons. Swipe to fingerprint. Screenshot. Sorry, it's working perfectly. No problem. Here the developer option is enabled. You can disable beta features is also available. It may case in stability. If you want to enable more features in this ROM, you can enable the beta features also. Here are the apps which are available in this ROM. These all apps are pre-installed. Here is the browser. Here is the launcher. You can change the themes icon. There are many features available. Gestures also available. Search bar, draw. There are many features available in this ROM. Launcher is the home screen of the launcher of the Decent OS. This is the launcher customization. You can customize your launcher also. And the calling is 100% working. Volt is 100% working, but there is no volt icon. Volt is 100% working. Incoming call, you can outgoing call from Jio also. It works perfectly. Dual SIM is also working perfectly. No problem. Here is the camera. Let's check the camera also. Here is the camera. It's I think there is defect in camera. It's green. It's showing me green. Camera quality is not so good. Here you can see camera quality is very poor in this ROM. You can use the Google camera also. Here you can see that we have successfully entered into recovery mode. After entering into recovery mode, you have to click on the backup, check system image, vendor image, data and boot. Here you have to select 4 items. Then you have to swipe to backup or select the storage. Do not backup in internal storage, as internal storage will be formatted in the next step. So backup in microSD or USB में. Okay, then you have to swipe to backup. After backup is complete, go on the home screen. Click on wipe. Then format data. Type yes. Here internal storage will be formatted. This will take few seconds only, 5 to 7 seconds. Our internal storage will be formatted. Here you can see. Now click on back. Then click on advanced wipe. You have to Dolvik. You have to click Dolvik system, vendor, data, cache. Here you have to select 5 items. Here you can see. Then swipe to wipe. Our old ROM will be deleted successfully. Now there is no OS installed in our ROM in our device. Now click on install. You can transfer from PC to internal storage also via USB in 3 mode, or you can install via microSD or USB. Now I have successfully transferred the data files from PC to internal storage. Then click on install. Here is the Decent X official 6 May 2020 patch. Let's click on the file to install the file. Click on the file and you have to swipe to confirm the flash. Here you can see the installation has been successfully started. This is for Redmi 4. You can comment down below if you want for your device. If it is available, I will provide you. You have to wait a few minutes to install this ROM. Let's meet after the installation is completed. Now here you can see that the installation has been successfully completed. Now you have to simply click on the reboot system. No need to flash any open gaps. Here you can see I have successfully rebooted my device. First you will get the MI logo. Then you have to wait few seconds to get the Decent OS logo. Here you can see this is the logo of Decent ROM. Here you can see this is D. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.